Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English World, the podcast where we help you learn simple and natural English in a friendly and comfortable way. My name is Maya.
And I'm Stark. Thank you for joining us today. We're really happy you're here.
In today's episode, we are going to talk about daily routines. This means the things you do every day from the morning to the night.
Learning how to talk about your daily routine is very important because we use it in real life. For example, when you meet someone new, when you talk to a friend, or in an English class or interview.
Exactly. So today, we will learn simple sentences, useful vocabulary, and practice conversation together.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly, use easy words, and repeat important phrases.
Before we begin, if you enjoyed this podcast, please like, follow, or subscribe to support us. Your support helps us create more useful English lessons.
All right, let's start.
So, Stark, let's start at the morning. When you wake up, what do you usually do?
Let's see. I wake up at around 6:30 inches the morning.
Repeat after Stark, everyone listening. I wake up at 6:30. One more time. I wake up at 6:30.
After I wake up, I usually brush my teeth and wash my face.
Great. So here are some useful morning routine phrases. I wake up, I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower, I get dressed. Let's practice each one. I'll say it slowly and you can repeat with Stark. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Great job. Practice is very important. Okay, so after showering and dressing, what do you do next?
I usually eat breakfast. I like to eat something simple, like toast or fruit, and I drink coffee.
Nice! So here are breakfast phrases. I eat breakfast. I make coffee. I drink tea. I prepare my lunch.
Example sentence. I eat breakfast at home.
Repeat. I eat breakfast at home.
I drink coffee every morning.
Repeat. I drink coffee every morning. Very good. Now let's talk about leaving home. Stark, what do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I go to work. I usually take the bus, but sometimes I walk.
Useful phrases. I go to work. I go to school. I take the bus. I walk to work. I drive to work.
I take the bus to work. I walk to school.
Say with me. I take the bus to work. I walk to school. All right, we talked about the morning. Now let's move to the middle of the day, also called midday or afternoon. Stark, when you arrive at work, what do you usually do first?
When I arrive at work, I start working. Usually, I check my emails first. I read messages and reply to them.
That's very common. Many people start work by checking mail or messages. Let's look at some useful work or school vocabulary. I arrive at work. I start working. I check my email. I reply to messages. I attend a meeting. I study. I take notes. Repeat after me. I start working.
I start working.
I check my email.
I check my email.
I attend a meeting.
I attend a meeting.
Nice job. If you are a student, you can use similar phrases.
Yes. For students, you can say, I go to class. I listen to the teacher. I study English.
Let's practice that too. I go to class.
I go to class.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
I study English.
I study English.
After working or studying for a few hours, it's lunchtime. Stark, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a simple lunch, maybe rice and vegetables, or sometimes a sandwich if I am busy.
That sounds healthy. Here are some useful lunch phrases. I eat lunch. I eat at home. I eat at work. I go out for lunch. I cook my lunch.
Example sentences. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I go out for lunch with my coworkers.
Say it slowly. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I go out for lunch with my coworkers. Very good. Remember. Repeating helps your brain remember. After lunch, most people return to work or class. Stark, what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I continue working. I have meetings, finish tasks, and talk with my team.
Useful afternoon phrases. I continue working. I have a meeting. I finish my tasks. I talk with my coworkers. I take a short break.
Example sentence. I take a short break in the afternoon.
Repeat. I take a short break in the afternoon.
I finish my work at 5 p.m.
Repeat. I finish my work at 5 p.m. Now the workday is over. It's time to go home. Stark, how do you go home?
I usually take the bus home. It takes about 30 minutes.
Useful phrases. I go home. I take the bus home. I walk home. I drive home. I get home. Say with us. I go home. I get home at 6 p.m. I take the bus home.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's talk about the evening. The evening is the time after you get home from work or school. Stark, what time do you usually get home?
I usually get home around 6 p.m. When I arrive home, I feel a little tired, so I like to relax for a few minutes.
Yes, relaxing after a long day is very important. Here are some useful evening routine phrases. I get home, I relax. I rest for a while, I change my clothes, I wash my hands or face, I spend time with my family. Say it slowly. I get home at 6 p.m. I relax after work. I spend time with my family.
Great job repeating with us.
So after you rest, what do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually exercise, or I go for a walk. Sometimes I watch a TV show or read a book.
Very nice. Here are some common evening activities. I exercise. I go for a walk. I watch TV. I read a book. I play games. I study English. Repeat after Stark.
I exercise in the evening.
I watch TV after dinner.
I study English at night.
Very good. Speaking slowly and repeating will help your English improve. Now let's talk about dinner. Dinner is the meal you eat in the evening.
Yes. I usually eat dinner around 7:30 p.m. I like simple food, rice, vegetables, and sometimes soup.
Useful dinner phrases. I eat dinner. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. I wash the dishes. I cook dinner at home. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes after dinner.
Nice. Good repeating.
So after dinner, the day is almost finished. Let's talk about the night routine.
At night, I usually take a shower, brush my teeth, and go to bed.
Useful nighttime phrases. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I go to sleep. I fall asleep. I brush my teeth before bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I fall asleep quickly.
You're doing very well. Keep practicing with us.
Now, let's put everything together into one paragraph. We will say this slowly so you can repeat sentence by sentence.
I wake up at 6:30 inches the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower and get dressed. Then I eat breakfast and drink coffee. After that, I go to work. I work in the morning and I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I work again in the afternoon and finish work at 5 p.m. I take the bus home and get home at 6 p.m. In the evening, I relax and eat dinner. At night, I take a shower and go to bed at 10 p.m.
Now you try. You can even record yourself repeating the paragraph. This is great practice. Now, let's practice a simple, real conversation using daily routine sentences. We will speak slowly first, then a little faster. Stark, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 inches the morning. And you, Maya? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7. What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I get dressed. What about you?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually drink tea and eat bread. And you?
I drink coffee and eat fruit.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. What about you?
I wake up at 7. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. You?
I brush my teeth and then I eat breakfast.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually have tea and bread. You?
Coffee and fruit for me.
Now it's your turn. We will ask you questions. You can answer out loud, don't worry. Nobody is judging you.
What time do you wake up?
Great job. Next question.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Nice. One more.
How do you go to work or school?
Excellent. Speaking out loud helps build confidence. Now, we will help you build your own daily routine. Repeat these sentence starters and complete them with your own words.
I wake up at...
I eat breakfast with...
I go to work or school by...
In the evening, I
go to bed at the scrum.
Great job! Even if your English is simple, it is correct, clear, and useful. Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about morning routine, work or school routine, lunchtime, evening activities, night routine.
We also practice vocabulary. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, relax, eat dinner, go to bed.
And we practiced speaking in simple, natural sentences.
Remember, learning English is like building a house. You add a little every day, and one day you look back and realize you built something amazing.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Just keep speaking, even if it is slow, even if it is simple.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow, like, and subscribe to support the podcast.
And share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
We'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye for now.